Hello guys and good morning from Cologne. I went to the airport by train, and as some of you may know, I'm from the southern part of Germany. So I took a night train to Cologne-Bonn airport, which needed more than 10 hours. My flight will leave in about 2 hours, and Ryanair will take me to Madrid today. I booked my flight on Ryanair.com and I only paid 20 euros for this flight, which takes more than 2 hours. So these are the check-in counters of Ryanair at Cologne-Bonn airport. We don't need them today, because we have already checked in online. As we still have more than 1 hour till boarding, I will show you the observation deck of Cologne-Bonn airport. My flight number is FR3016, so let's pass security check. Because there are not that much duty-free shops, I'll head straight to my gate D41. Boarding started on time, but sadly we had to wait about 20 minutes outside at 5 degrees centigrade because the previous passengers had to deboard first. I've never flown Ryanair before, and I know that Ryanair's new cabin is not that comfortable. But I'm really looking forward to this flight, although Ryanair hasn't the best reputation. My seat for today is 22A, which has a nice wing view in my opinion. Our current aircraft is equipped with the new Boeing Sky interior cabin, which at first glance looks amazingly clean, and I really like the yellow color used on the seats.
La principal del avión se acaba de cerrar, por lo que a partir de estos momentos todos los móviles tendrán que estar apagados en modo vuelo hasta llegar a destino. Muchas gracias.
De la cabina les guiarán en caso de emergencia a la salida más cercana. Hay 4 salidas de emergencia, 2 en la parte delantera, una a la derecha y otra a la izquierda, 2 en la parte trasera, una a la derecha y otra a la izquierda, y 4 salidas sobre las alas en el centro de la cabina, 2 a la derecha y 2 a la izquierda. Por favor, tomen un momento para localizar la salida.
Actually, there isn't very much to show you from the inside of the cabin. The seats look very nice, but they aren't very comfy. Seat pitch is totally okay, but as the flight was fully booked, I wish the seat would be even wider. I'll take a little nap, but first I will show you Ryanair magazine.
Ryanair is like to welcome you to Madrid Terminal 1. It's like 10 minutes ahead of the schedule with the local time here. It's 11:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft are reached its final parking position and the fastest event sign has been switched off. Please exercise extreme caution when opening your vehicle's lockers. Aside and as you carry your luggage and capital dislodge during the landing. For more information, your route, hotel accommodation, check and go on car hire, please visit our website Ryanair.com. And finally, on behalf of all the crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. It's been a pleasure to have you on board.
In my opinion, the flight was okay. I mean, remember that I only paid 20 euros to get from Cologne to Madrid. The crew wasn't the friendliest one and the seats weren't comfortable, and you can't recline them. Nevertheless, I'm still satisfied with what I received, considering what I paid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.